Hey, what's going on, guys? How's it going? It's your boy Broadway J, your host here at Kicks and Beats, the channel. I got another one. This is not really an early on fee review. It already came out, but since I didn't get to review it yet, that time has come. This is the Yeezy Quantum Teal Blue. Let's go check it out real quick. Gotta give you that close up as always. How you guys doing today? I hope you're all having a great day. You know I am. It's always a great day when we have a new product for you guys over here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a big fan of this one. But let's see if seeing this shoe up close can change my mind. Check out the product real quick. Product code and whatnot. Shout out to GOAT for this one. Yeah, got this one off GOAT. Drum rolls, please. I'm actually still not hype about these, but I got a certain job to do over here, and that is to show you guys that up close and personal. So let's get to it, man. Let's check out these details real quick. What do you guys think? You guys like? These will definitely hit good outside in the morning, but at nighttime, I'm not too sure, to be honest. Like, I feel like these designs here and just the color and the patterns, and it's not gonna, I don't know if it's that noticeable at nighttime. Probably would with a different colorway. I feel like if they would have used black and white, it would have been so amazing. You guys should bring this out, but like with a zebra version to it. You know, kind of like the 350 V2. You guys should definitely come out with a zebra version to this Yeezy brand. Come on, man. Yeah, check it out. That suede once again, man. I feel like out of all the suede I've ever felt out of Yeezy brand, it's the Yeezy Quantum that has the softest suede of all time, man. This is real soft. So soft that it's kind of scary. It's like, you got to be careful. You really don't want to damage this. Yeah. Feels pretty flimsy here. Kind of feels like a lifestyle version, if you ask me. Definitely not a basketball version. Boom. 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 Of course, 3M is displayed here. You got 3M here. Let me see. Of course, this comes with Boost. For those who aren't familiar with this shoe, it comes with Boost. So comfortable. Let's take this out. Let's take the insole out as well. Show you how that's looking. All black. Yeah. Let me see. These come with extra laces. I don't see extra laces. Okay. Well, these don't come with extra laces. It's all good. Right. On feet review. Let's get to it. I like this angle right here. Alright guys, so thank you for tuning into the channel. It's time to wrap up the video. It's your boy Broadway J, your host here at Kicks and Beats. Stay tuned because we have another huge giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, just like we did back at 500. You're gonna want to stay tuned for that. Let your friends know, let your family members know, and if you're brand new, you're just looking at this channel for the first time ever, please hit like and subscribe as well. You're not going to want to miss out, because once we've reached 1,000 subscribers, we're going to have monthly giveaways at that point. On the first of every month is when we're going to have that new giveaway. So you already know what time it is. Take care, y'all. God bless.